Hey everybody, picked up a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a dark gray. It's probably like a graphite gray, something fancy like that. I'll post the description in the color in the description. It's got 18-inch wheels. They're like grayed out, and fog lights. Just the regular headlights. It didn't get the like the xenon or the the LEDs. Comes standard with the silver trim around the windows, and like a Jeep, it's got four-wheel drive. Let's check it out. The Jeep comes with the remote start. Hit it twice, back door opens automatically. Plenty of room for lots of stuff, and you can put pretty much anything in here. It doesn't have the third row, and that's great because I don't want extra people with me. It's got a full spare inside, jack and everything. A couple extra compartments next to it so you could hide stuff or keep stuff down there. Like I'm going to put this air pump down here, and then we have a roadside assistance kit, so I'm going to put that there and that there. We'll tuck this in a little bit, and it clicks down, so it even has like a little latch. So you saw how the air pump wasn't really flush and it went down. Also has a couple anchor points, one on each side, some cubbies here on each side, and it has the power down feature. Let's check out the interior here. The back seat, we got the black leather interior. This is just a good perspective to show you that child's car seat fits pretty nicely backwards. This is like the Graco 3-in-1. Works real well. The seats pretty much are right up against there. We have both back seats reclined just a hair. Put that mirror up there. But these leather seats are pretty supportive and pretty good quality. So we're going to see. I'm sure we're going to put it to the test. The back seat has a heated seat feature. It also has a regular plug. So, if we're going to plug some cool stuff in when we're outside doing some stuff, we got it. 2 USBs, and then the vent high and low back here. We'll mess around with it. I wonder if we put it in the middle if it'll do both. There is a switch, so 1, 2, 3. So I bet you if we go here, it'll be high and low. Check out the front. It's got the touch feature, so let's lock this thing up to hands-free. I'm gonna just touch it. I got the key in my pocket. If you didn't see, the door unlocked just by touching. And the inside, plenty of leg room, and we do have this seat up quite a bit. I'm 6 foot tall. I'm sitting down nicely. I'm in a pretty good position. My knees aren't anywhere near, and like I said, the seat can go back quite a bit more if I want. We have a really cool infotainment center here, and different selections. We have sand, auto, you could leave in there for four-wheel drive, mud, rock, snow, and then the neutral position. I guess when you turn this into there, the light will go on, but then you have to hit like a ballpoint pen. So if this is going to be trailered on all fours behind maybe a RV or something of that nature, that's the selection that you'd want to do. Let me jump in the driver's seat and give a little crack at that. Now this thing also comes with the automatic start, so you hit this button twice and this thing turns over as easy as a prom date. Let's watch this. 15 seconds, money in the bank. That thing's running, you're inside, you want a warm ride, you turn that thing on. You could program it so your heated seats and the heated steering wheel come on every time. And the salesman also mentioned that the 2 key fobs, you could have them save your settings. So, hey, if I'm driving, everything will be set to me. If my wife's driving, everything will be set to her. The dashboard's got all these different kind of selections. So right now it says remote start active. I hit it, so you can't go anywhere until you push this button. So boom, we're good, it's run. It kind of goes through a little reset motion. What I do like about this car is it's got a whole bunch of settings. So it's kind of cool. So the park sense is off. That's just when we back up, it'll show how close we are. We just took a trip to Cleveland and back from Ashtabula. We averaged 19.7 miles to the gallon. After we break it in, we'll give you a good update on the MPGs. I'm pretty sure it's going to go up from there. But if I go through this setting here, we let's see what we got here. We got trip meter. Let's see here. Messages. We can do tons of different settings on where we're going to go as far as that. And then you could set up the speedometer differently if you want. Let me see here. Really not sure. Should have checked that in. Oh, here we go. Look at this. So we do the different speedometers. I mean, this one or that one. And then there's vehicle information. So we have the voltage. You have the oil life, oil pressure, oil temp, transmission temp, and the tire pressure. It looks like I should even those out. We're a little high on the left, a little low on the right. So I'll go to the door and see what we are, and actually I'll go to the tires and see what the recommended the recommendation is. So I like to have the gas mileage up, so let's see if we could find that. So that's what I'd like to do. Also on this infotainment center, we've got, the Sirius XM. It has a ton of apps. Traveling, heated driver seat, passenger seat, backup cam. You could have this on while you're driving. I think it will make you probably throw up. Different pages, navigation. It's got just about everything you want, and it's all pretty easy. I had my father in here. He was pushing it through. The guy really doesn't know much about any type of electronics. He's not real techie. And he went through it, so I believe just about anybody can do it. So I just hit the off-road pages, something I thought was pretty cool. It's just something to show. I guess if you're going off-road, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is a wonderful choice. It shows you your pitch and your roll. It's cool. It gives you your longitude and latitude, altitude, the vehicle and the dynamics. It shows you what's going on with the transfer case, what your steering angle is, and my favorite is this. It's got all the gauges, and it's just something that I like to look at and keep note of. When you're driving, you can see all your information. So that's it for my review on the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'll do a review of the driving in a little bit, but overall, cool car. Picked it up the other day, so hope you guys like it.